6 o'clock, welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We keep our Mexican theme on Tuesdays, for the most part. So this Tuesday, we're doing tacos again. And we are doing steak tacos. Now, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to sort of make a little salsa creation. Maybe surprise the guinea pig a little bit. Look, she likes spontaneity. Is that how you say it?
I guess.
All right, well, she likes spontaneous things, right? So spontaneous salsa could go over well. So again, we're trying to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. That is like the whole thing that we're going for here. So we're going to try something a little bit different. So let's get to cooking. So let me tell you what I have here. So I'm doing my steak tacos. Again, in the spirit of getting, 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig, which is what this show is all about, at the end of every episode, I give a taste of the meal to Michelle, my wife, aka the guinea pig. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
That's Michelle, the guinea pig. And she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. 2 awesome, 1 like good, 1 down like 2 down like, no good. So I know that she likes filet mignon. She likes her meat tender. She likes it small. Come on, get your minds out of the gutters here. She likes small pieces, which I did. So I cut those up real small. Now, I have a seasoning that this is sort of my go-to seasoning, right? So I have chili powder, ground cumin, oregano, garlic powder, and paprika. Sometimes I use smoked paprika, sometimes I don't. It just depends on what I got in the spice rack, right? So I got regular paprika in there, and then I kicked it up with a little bit of, there's a tablespoon of chia seeds in there to get like an extra fiber kick in there, which, is nice because the kids, they eat it, they don't know they're eating it, and all that good stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is make a little salsa. So I got some cut up tomatoes that were left over from yesterday. I have some chopped onions. I'm going to use a can of corn. I'm going to use some black beans. I got a little bit of lime juice, fresh lime juice from a fresh lime. And I got a little bit of garlic over here, which you can't see. So let's get going. All right. So let me bring you over here, and then I'll get all my ingredients and all that good stuff. All right. So I'm going to put some olive oil up here and some olive oil up on my salsa. So heating up some of this olive oil here. Not a lot for the steak because the steak has a lot of oils and juices in it anyway. So we don't want to put too much olive oil in that pan. Dogs ate another sock. This is real life, guys. Real life. No? All right, I am having a little beer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in my onions. Season up these onions while you're having at it. Pretty good. All right, so we're letting those cook a little bit. I'm gonna have a beer. What? You could eat it. Just you can dip it. You can just eat it. You can do whatever you want. Add my corn. Oh, I got room. Add a little lime juice. Season this with salt and pepper again. Okay, so cooking this up nice, right? Salsa looks pretty nice there, you can see. Nice little color. And then we're going to throw some tomatoes in there too. I can add the garlic now. I'm totally fine with it because I'm just looking for like that flavor. Just that garlic flavor. I don't need to like really brown it or anything like that. I feel like it's dark here. You know what I'm going to do? Does that help a little bit? Let's see. Does that light help at all? Okay, let me get ready to go in. So I got a pound and a half of beef. Now, guys, normally, hey, a little salt and pepper on this beef. That's it. getting ready with my seasoning. It's gonna be a quick dish, guys. Okay, I'm gonna add my tomatoes now to the salsa. Okay, steak is looking good. Okay, so the salsa is looking good. You guys want to see the salsa? Nice. That's going to be like a nice little topping, you know? We could throw on our steak tacos. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to throw in my seasoning. So there's, there's some juice that I got at the bottom here, right? Because I got a little bit of beer. I got, just sort of the juice from the beef itself. So I'm going to add my seasoning, and this will help it thicken up nice. Okay, so I'm going to cook that up for a couple of minutes. Oh, I love this seasoning because it's gluten-free too. If anybody likes that whole gluten-free thing, like, there's nothing better. And this is nice. This is like thickening up nice. So we'll let that, continue to cook until the beef is done, which the beef will be done in a second. Okay, my beef is done. I don't want to overcook it, and it's just beef, so we're all right. I'm gonna put this aside. It smells awesome. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Hold on. Take a look at my beef. Filet Mignon. Filet Mignon. How about that? Come with me. Let's go make Michelle her taco. I'm gonna get the salsa. Here's the beef. I'm gonna give her some of that. Okay, baby, you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Get the salsa nice, huh? Yeah, baby, yes. Okay. Who's got it better than her? Seriously, come on. This is like, I cook every night. I made a show out of it. But who reaps the rewards? That's the way I like it.
Be cooking anyway. I know there's a lot of people that have to.
Nice. Oh, my back. Wait, take that. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh man. Have a fork.
The messier the better. Fork for what?
I want to mush it. Why do you critique when I ask for things? Like, I don't ask because I want to commentary.
Go ahead.
I just ask because that's what I want.
Go ahead. Going for 2 thumbs up here right now. 2.
Shell's a little hard. Like a little soft.
All right. Not pacing.
You're pacing. You're making everyone nervous.
Who's everyone?
If they could see you, you'd be making them nervous. Very good. Did you put salt in? Yeah. I like that it's not hard steak. It's like melts in your mouth. And it's got a little bit of a kick.
Can you taste the beer?
I don't know. I'm not gonna taste that.
Okay. Yeah! Happy Tuesday, y'all! Happy Tuesday! Listen, the beer, so I think what the beer does is it actually, listen, filet is filet, right? It's tender anyway. But I think the beer actually can make it just like even that much more tender. And then the spice is like awesome. Like the spice is so good, it's so quick. I found it years ago. I haven't been using anything else. It's just like so easy, and it's so good. So what a way to, end a Tuesday, an easy meal, guys. Like, just because it's Taco Tuesday doesn't mean you need to do the same thing. You can mix it up a little bit. You can do the ground chicken, you can do the turkey, you can make your own sauce. This is like, I just had a couple of things laying around. This stuff is so easy to do, So you can change it up a little bit without breaking the bank, number 1, and without pulling your hair out, number 2. So, get creative, just do something a little bit different, cook something a little bit differently, and, You got it. Like Taco Tuesday could be like a staple, and you can do it healthy. It doesn't have to be all ground beef. Today, again, off the the healthier meats, but that's how we roll. That's what we do. So, guys, that is it. That is our episode for tonight. Tomorrow night, I'm doing shrimp and rice in like a creamy red sauce with a little bit of tomatoes. It's really nice. I'm actually throwing a little bit of ricotta cheese in there. So just a little bit, just to cream it up a little bit. But that is one you're not going to want to miss. So make sure you guys catch me tomorrow night. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow night. Enjoy. Be safe. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.